So quick walk around and kind of clarify some information. This is an early 1950s Frandee Model E sno-cat. They were built by university out of Utah, the University of Utah or whatnot. I think it was actually in like Logan, Utah somewhere. So the cat was restored previously by a different person before me, who passed on, but that was the same gentleman. His name was Bill Guthrie. He was the one who sold me my first sno-cat. So Frandee comes from Mr. France and Mr. I think it's Divine or Divin. So those two gentlemen, they were the ones that designed it. So this is technically probably it's like the grandfather or great grandfather of Thiokol family. Just something to keep in mind. Ancestor of the Thiokol family, the DMC and the LMC sno-cats. Because from here on they went into business with Thiokol, I believe. So anyways, so Frandee comes from last name France and Divine, so Frandee if you get it. This is the Model E. This is the last one, I believe. Some call them the Model E, some call them Frandee Snowshoe Model E. I'm not sure if the snowshoe was only for the ones that had the option of the drop down ski in the front with the steering wheel in the front there. But in my case, that's not the case as far as having this the shoe in the front or the ski in the front. So anyways, the way this thing works is it's four-wheel drive technically. So front wheels turn and then rear wheels turn. There's two solid axles in the front there off a 1950s GMC pickup. They're pretty heavy-duty axles. It's a drum brake system. So as you see, the brakes go here and then they go right in the middle there and they go up for the steering stick. So the left side is joined and then the right side is joined. So when you pull on the left lever, these two tires, the front and rear, lock up, making you turn to the left, if that makes sense. So that's how it turns. So рулим мы тем, что блокируется это колесо и то колесо на одной линии тормозной, да? And the brake cylinder is here. И вот сюда оно идет. And it is a 3-speed automatic, no, 3-speed manual. Since this was this whole thing utilized a 1926-27 Ford Model T cowl. So this is original cowl from a Ford Model T, an original dash. I'm not sure what the transmission's from. I'm not sure on the engine yet. I'll get that information a little bit later. For sure, but as far as I am aware, this is an industrial GMC motor. This is an inline 6, линейная шестерка индустриального GMC мотора 50-х годов. I believe this will be the oil probably. That's the starter. Fuel pump, which is leaking in my case right now. Anybody who watched the video from earlier, the live session, so what was going on is the fan was making some noise and I think I found the problem. It's rubbing right there. I think that's what is making the noise. So I'm thinking of probably upgrading to double barrel carb here, and then also considering upgrading the ignition to the electronic kind. So those two upgrades are coming up for sure. Next step is to work on the tracks. Those I started already taking them apart, so I need to get the belting lined up and all the rest of the stuff. And then put the glass in, finish up the interior, and this should comfortably sit 6 people, 2 in the front, 4 in the back. I'm gonna open up the windows a little bit more. It is gonna remain this cream color. It's kind of like yellow cream color. I've been told that this is a very similar color to the 50s style pickups. So the previous owner, they put on this Timberline Lodge sticker on that because they work closer with them. For those who know them, they'll know what I'm talking about. And the same person put this to kind of sway everybody, make everybody feel kind of like, what the heck? So anyways, so this is the sno-cat. That's how it's done. This is how it was built originally, and it was restored to specs. So everything about it is, you know, original per se. So here we go. If you guys have any questions, track tension is done by these Zerks here. and it's hydraulically adjustable by putting the grease in there. So качаем солидол туда, и получается выходит задний мост назад, и так натягивается гусеница. So that's about it. So this is a quick overview of Frandee Model E sno-cat. Another project in Nixon Overland family. So Bud Nixon, everybody, peace. Have a good weekend.